Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Siko, and if you're new here, welcome, guys. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash the like button. If you find any kind of value in this video, in the following video that you're about to watch, make sure to turn on the bell notification too, so you guys don't miss any, and make sure to subscribe. And let's just get straight into it, okay? So as you can see right here, we have Xela or Xela Technologies, and as you can see, Xela is like yesterday closed at price of around $2.92. We were up like 17 cents or approximately 6.18% to the upside. It is what it is, and as you can see, we kind of bounced it off of this level right here that we have, and that is at around 249, around 250ish level, which I will just put it at 250 because I don't want to look at it at 249. Yeah, 250, that finna do the work. Okay, why 250? Because a lot of things were happening right here. We kind of bounced off of these levels. This is why I have my lines right there and there. Okay, so these are the key levels that I think the price will kind of bounce off of, or do something, maybe break through them, then retest them, and then bounce off of them, and so on and so on. Like you know the deal. Okay, so this is how it looks like. We were kind of bullish yesterday. I'm pretty happy about that. Pretty right now. Oh, this is on the 4-hour chart. Okay, excuse me about that. So this is on the daily chart, and this looks like kind of beautiful. Okay, we kind of the high of the candle. So we actually don't have a low. You actually have a like a 1 cent pip, 1 cent to the downside. And but it is what it is. This is the low of the candle. Then we have a high. This can be like a upside down pin bar, which will indicate me that the bears are into the market. But in this example, the bears were not here, and the lower wick just never occurred. Okay, we have a small 1 cent wick, but it is what it is. And let me just click on the volume. No, actually, I just want to share something with you guys. As you can see, I mean, 30 to 40 minutes ago, I know Xela only had 150,000 shares available to short. Okay, this is from Fintel. I mean, you could just go check them out. You could just go fintel.io, then SS, US, and Xela, and you will find everything about that. And they are running out. Okay, granted, I don't have a like. Nobody has a access to all the details. Therefore, I don't know. The short interest, but only 150 shares to short means good news for us. Okay, they will be forced to cover what they have now. These are good news, and I'm pretty happy about that. And because a lot of the people, the same basic ass question is, why everybody is saying that Xela is great, but the stock price is still decreasing? A lot of the people will not get this. Okay, and basically for me, I would tell you, just go do your own research. I mean, like, it sounds that a lot of the people that are commenting this are new to the stock market. Okay, we will see what will be happening with that, but they need to like know that this has value, not just for the short interest that this has, and this can potentially squeeze, but with or without a squeeze, this company has value. Okay, these are my thoughts about that. So let's just get straight into the technical analysis for you guys. Right, so as you can see, Xela, as I said, kind of bounces off that level. Let's just go to the lower time frames, for example, first on the 1-hour chart, and this is how at the moment, like how it looks like at the moment. Okay, at this point, what I would not want to do is break to this low right here. Oh, we actually don't have nothing right there. Let's go to the 30-minute chart. Okay, what I will not want to do is break to this higher low, but I don't think that will be happening, right? A lot of bouncing did happen right around here. Like, I will draw a kind of a rectangle or area that we can bounce off of today. I think that we are going to be doing something like that. And this is on the lower time frame, just keep that in mind. On a higher time frame, like, it's harder to predict this kind of stuff, but I will try my best to do so. Okay, I think something like this can be happening, but we will see. Okay, and if you just go and push to the, like, put this time frame to the on the higher numbers, on the higher end, right, we can see that we are targeting this 318 zone, but we will see what will be happening, because as you can see, this candle right here, this yesterday's, the last 4-hour candle was kind of not great. It was a doji, but it is what it is. It is what it is, right? On the daily chart, this is how it looks like, and I basically think that we are just go to the moving averages, right? We are again bouncing off of this level right here, bouncing off of the 20 of the 20 moving average, 200 period moving average, and I think that something like that can occur again. Okay, and as you can see, like it kind of really pushed to the upside. Like what? Let me just get the folder. From here on, right around this upside move was record around 195%. Then something like really close to the 15 level 2, and like if you just get the moving average right here, what will 195% look like? Yeah, again, just above that area, okay? But like we will see what will be happening at the moment. I'm not a actual financial advisor, and we will see what will be happening with that. This is just my own opinion, okay? But the interesting thing with this is that, let me just close the volume that we're going to be talking about that. Well, in just a second, okay? So as you see right here, we have the 50 moving average, the 100 moving average, and the 200 moving average, okay? So like if you have, for example, the 50 moving average, this will tell you what was the direction for the last 50 candles, okay? And that will tell you the actual trend that you're in. But I'm always like, when I'm trying to identify the trend on the kind of higher time frame, I'll always look at the 200 moving average, because as you can see, it tells me that we are in an uptrend, because we like definitely are. But on the lower, like this moving average, just like the 100, then the 50 moving average, it tells us that we're below that, and it tells me that we are in a downtrend, okay? But like we will see what will happen with that. I don't really think that we are about to kind of break through this area right around here. A lot of people have had their buy hours around 290 area, okay? When this came right here, a lot of the it kind of pushed to the downside, but then it kind of went to the upside, and like we will see what will be happening with that. And let's stop with the nonsense. If it just goes scrolling to the downside, as you can see, in the actual 200 moving average, we are below the 3 moving averages, okay? And we will see. I think that this can push the price to the downside, because yeah, like we are in a clear downtrend. But let's just go and like be kind of positive on the higher time frames. On the daily charts, we are above the 3 moving averages, and the higher the time frame, the better the actual catalyst is, okay? Let's just turn it off, the daily the volume. Yesterday, which is kind of a we had a smaller volume. Yeah, the volume was not that big. It was 70 million, and the day before there was 73 million. But it is what it is. The daily average is big. It's big all time, like 179 million daily average. It's like 109 million more than that, than our daily average actually. And yeah, guys, this is basically it. So thank you guys so much for you who are watching this video till the end. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys, boys and girls. Well, I'm always talking about guys, but when I say guys, I mean like boys and girls. I don't want to discriminate or do something like that. Like, screw that shit. And yeah, this is basically it. So peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day.